Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys a pretty cool hack that will make your iPhone look transparent. It's actually really interesting and very easy to do. You will be surprised how easy it is to actually achieve this result on your iPhone and make your iPhone look really different. All you have to do is just follow a few simple steps. So the first one will be downloading this app right here. It is called Be Funky. You can download it for free, and of course I will leave it linked right down below in the description of the video. Once you have downloaded the app, set up the wallpaper that you want on your iPhone and then take a screenshot of the first page of your home screen. Now for this setup, I suggest that you use only one home page, so if you go here and tap on the buttons, you can actually go ahead and disable the other ones. It doesn't matter if you use more, but it will be way better with just one home screen. Now once you have taken that screenshot, launch the app and go ahead and tap right here on edit a photo. Tap here and just load the screenshot you just took from your camera roll. Once you have loaded the screenshot, go here and find the blur tool. So here we have the blur tool, and move this slider, which is at 25%, move it at 15% here, and then tap the check mark. Now all you have to do now is tap the share button, and you can see right here it says 100%. so if it doesn't say 100% for you, make sure you tap that gear right there and slide this all the way to the right so it saves the photo with the best quality possible. Again, tap the share button and save it to the camera roll. And now that you have saved the screenshot with the blur effect to the camera roll, go to your lock screen and add a new lock screen. Tap the plus button and load the screenshot that we just saved. So here we have the screenshot we just saved with the blur effect, of course, and we can go ahead and customize the clock here. Now for this wallpaper, I like to have a black clock. It looks much better in my opinion. Once you have done that, you tap the add button and then wait here and tap on customize home screen. Now what I need you to do here is on home screen, tap the photo button and load the original wallpaper that you used. Not the screenshot we took, we will leave that just on the lock screen. For the home screen, we will load the original wallpaper. And once you have loaded the original wallpaper, we're almost done here. Tap the dump button and tap the dump button once again, and now we're on the lock screen, and you can see when I slide like this, it looks kinda cool, but it doesn't show anything there. Here's how you fix this. Head onto your settings and then go under accessibility, scroll all the way down here and go to per app settings. Tap on add app, tap on add home screen here in app library, tap here again and go to reduce motion and turn it on. Now you're good to go. So let's go ahead and lock the device and just see how cool this looks. So here we have the locked iPhone. You can see how cool this looks with the icons in the background. And if I slide up, you can see how good that effect actually looks. So this is really nice. You will actually have a lot of fun with this trick. It will make your iPhone look totally different from other devices, and as you could see right there, it is actually really easy to do. And even when you lock your iPhone, if you have an iPhone with the standby mode, you can see how cool that looks like that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This is how you can get this amazing transparent look on your iPhone very easy just by following a few simple steps. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.